Before we place an order in this platform, we currently have 1,164 followers, which means that these followers are going to increase. We are going to come back for us to actually check it. Right here you can see we have 81 new followers notification. 81 new follower notification. You can see it right here, which means that the followers are coming. So let's just go and check if the followers are there, and boom, let's refresh. Boom, you can see we currently have 1,290 followers, from 1,164 followers to 1,290 followers. Easy peasy. So guys, I tried this hack and I got 10,000 followers. Let me show you guys how I did it. I just came to this platform they call growbetter.net, as you can see right here on the screen, growbetter.net. And I created an account and I did exactly what I'm about to show you guys in this video. So firstly, we just need to create an account. For you to create an account, you need to come to this sign up right here, and you see the sign up right here, tap on it, and once you tap on it, come to this username right here. Put your username, come to email, put your email, come to this password, put your password, and confirm your password, and come to this sign up right here and tap on it, and your account is going to be created. And due because I already have an account, there's no need for me to create a new account, so I just need to log in and show you guys how I was able to get 10,000 followers on Instagram very fast. So let's go. So right now I've logged in. As you can see right here, when you create your account and log in, this is exactly how it's going to be looking like, right? For us to actually get Instagram followers, the first thing we need to do is for us to come to this category right here. Can you see this category right here? Tap on it, and once you tap on it, scroll down and look for Instagram followers, and right here you can see Instagram followers. I like using this particular one, Instagram followers, non-drop, new premium. This particular one, tap on it and come to this service right here. Can you see this service right here? Tap on it, and you select the preferable service. I like using this particular first one, right? So I just need to select it and read description. Description is actually what describes what you're about to order, right? Right here they say that the start time is 0 to 30 minutes. They say delivery speed is 5k a day, and they say that refill is 30 days, and they say that the minimum you can order is 50 followers and the max is 45 followers. And right here they say the quality is high quality, and down here is where they describe the link. Don't worry, I'm going to show you guys how to copy links. So let's go to Instagram. So right here I'm on my Instagram. If you want to copy link, all you need to do is to come right here. You can see this share profile right here. Can you see it? Tap on it, and once you tap on it, come to this copy link right here. Can you see this copy link right here? Tap on it and your link is copied. But before then, I want you guys to understand that before we place an order in this platform, we currently have 1,164 followers, which means that these followers are going to increase. We are going to come back for us to actually check it. 1,164 followers. So let's go. So once you copy your link, just come right here, paste your link right here, and come to this quantity, put the amount of followers you want. This video I want only 100 followers, so I just need to put 100, and boom, right here. The next thing you need to do is for you to come to this submit right here. You can see the submit, tap on it, and boom, you can see they said our order has been received. All we need to do right now is for us to excise patient, and this follower will start coming into that account, right? So but before then, I want you guys to understand that whatever we are doing in this platform is not free. You need to pay money for you to actually get them. So how then do you fund account in this platform? Is very easy. All you need to do is to come to this three line up here. Can you see this three line up here? Tap on it, and once you tap on it, by your left hand side right here, you can see this add fund right here. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, you just need to come to this dot right here. Can you see this dot right here? Tap on it, and you can see two payment options right here, Corapay and manual. I'm going to show you guys how to use both of them. If you select Corapay, put the amount you want to put, and click on this pay right here, and the Corapay is going to ask you how would you like to pay. You can see how would you like to pay with debit card, pay with bank transfer, or pay with bank. If you select debit card, put your card details right here and click on pay. Your payment could go. And if you want bank transfer, come select bank transfer, and read this instruction right here. Click on I understand instruction, and click on this continue right here. And Corapay is going to provide account number that you are going to be making payment to. You can see all you need to do is to copy the account number and make payment to the account number, and boom, that's all. So you don't need to chat anybody. Your payment will automatically rotate and updated on your wallet, right? So let me show you guys how to use manual. All you need to do right here is come select manual, read the instruction stated kindly make payment to the account number below. You can see the account number, you can see the beneficiary. They said do not send below 1,000, it will be refunded. Provide proof of payment screenshot with your username so that your payment can be confirmed and completed. Click on this link to get directed to admin contact us. So all you need to do is to make payment to this account number right here, send your proof of payment and your Growbetter username to them. And how do you send it? Is either you click on this WhatsApp icon right here. Can you see this WhatsApp icon right here? Or you click on this contact us right here. It will take you to the WhatsApp, send your proof of payment and your Growbetter username, and they're going to confirm your payment. Easy peasy. So right now I want us to actually go back to Instagram to confirm if the followers we ordered have already completed. Remember, before we placed an order, we had 1,164 followers. But right now let's go and check how many it will be now. Right here you can see we have 81 new followers notification, 81 new follower notification. You can see it right here, which means that the followers are coming. So let's just go and check if the followers are there, and boom, let's refresh. Boom, you can see we currently have 1,290 followers, from 1,164 followers to 1,290 followers. Easy peasy. So this is exactly how to actually boost your Instagram followers. Just follow this trick. I tried it and it worked for me, and you can see it worked again. So all you need to do is to come to this platform, create an account, fund your account, and do exactly what I just taught you guys in this video, and you will be able to get these followers. So thank you all for watching, and see you in my next video.